Welcome back to Anything That Moves. Here I am, Miss Moneymaker. We're going to get into it. GME. Alrighty, guys. So GME, here we are. We're live. Market is open. Let me just bring this a little lower. Okay, this is where we're currently trading at. This is on a 2-minute time frame. We're $48, $49. Let's see if we can find a base. There were several halts down. Okay, this halted down, this red candle right here. So we had some halt downs. Okay, so be careful because, hopefully we get a base around here. This level, will it reject at this level around the $70 level, or will it reject here at the $80 level? It was resistance here before, so it could be resistance there again. When we get to whole numbers, 70, 80, usually sometimes there's resistance. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm not telling you to day trade these kind of things or buy, sell, or whatever. But if you're going to be in GME, things like this, if you have profit, take some profits when you think you should. When you see we're going to some resistant levels, okay? I wanted to make sure I showed you that. This is a 2-minute time frame for everybody who doesn't know what we're looking at. This is a 5-minute time frame. This is the Qs. This is something else. Don't worry about that because it's not really pertaining to what's going on here. This is the daily time frame down here, okay? So just wanted to show you, looked like maybe we're stabilizing because there was a lot of profit taking on the open. So maybe it'll stop here. Maybe it won't. We're all doing this. Why? We're into it because this guy, Roaring Kitty, has roared again. He roared his head. He put out that big tweet on Twitter. Okay, so he's back at it. Should I say thank you or not? I don't know. It depends if you could hold your emotions together. This is an emotional time for a lot of people. Things are short squeezing. What does that mean, Miss Moneymaker? When things short squeeze, you're able to, a lot of people are able to buy in, and then they force people who were short. They force them to cover their shorts. When that happened, it makes a whole squeeze, ripping sensation happen. Okay, because these people who are going short, they have to cover. When that happens, that means they have to buy the stock. They have to cut their losses, buy the stock. But it causes these kind of surges that we're seeing now. So, this kind of thing. Let me show you this. I want to show you this chart here. Okay, this is how psychology goes. If you're going to trade things like this, you need to be like a monk mind of steel. Everybody's optimistic in the beginning, and then they get excited. Then they're thrilled as they started making money. At this point, when you're at the top, this is the most dangerous part. What do you mean? Look at this right here. At the top, this is when you're at maximum risk, because this is when people usually double down and all of that. And they're like, oh, it's really just going to keep going. No, because you got to remember, at the same time, some people are shorting this stock. Some people are going long, some people are shorting at certain levels. Like at this level, I could go short, people. I could go long here and I could flip short here. I don't have a problem doing that. And then up here at 80, I could flip short. It depends. It all depends, because we may do these things for just a little bit of time. We have all these fancy buttons. This is not my whole day trading system that you're seeing here. I have custom buttons. I could be in and out. We do this in seconds sometimes, a couple of minutes or whatever. It's a lot of things that day traders have. So let's go back to that chart I was just showing you. So when you're going up high, you got to think, hey, maximum risk here. And then a lot of times what happens, and later you see the graph as it goes down, and when you're really low, that's when you should have been really getting in. So my point is, try to control your emotions as much as possible. I'll have another video talking about strategies of what to do with your emotions, because right about now, I have to get back at it. Okay, I just wanted to make this video, post it, let you know, be very careful. You have to control your emotions. Whatever plan you make, try to stick to your plan. Don't go all in. Don't go all in nothing. I'll make more videos later. Let me get back at it, because you see, it seems like we're finding a base. So I may, I have to figure out what I'm going to do. Because see, I could buy here, sell before I get to here. And then if I pass here, I can hold for just a little long to this moment. Then I could drop short. It depends. It's a whole lot of things, like in and out, in and out. Okay, I'm doing this all in a day. Talk to you later. Be careful. If you like this content, click like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.